Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without all the headaches. Today, we've got a 3D printing showdown that's hotter than a freshly extruded PLA filament. In the left corner, weighing in at a mere 6.6 pounds, we have the Asani Mini 3D printer. And in the right corner, with a price tag that's just as hefty as its features, the Comgrow 2024 new version Creality K1C 3D printer. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's talk money because, let's face it, our wallets cry a little every time we hit Add to Cart. The Asani Mini is priced at a cool $500. Now that's a lot of dough, but it's still less than the K1C, which comes in at a whopping $599. Reviewers appreciate the Asani Mini for its affordability, especially considering its range of features. On the other hand, the K1C's higher price is justified by its advanced capabilities, making it a worthwhile investment for serious enthusiasts. With that extra $100, you could buy, well, more filament to feed your new 3D printing addiction. Next up, ease of use. Asani Mini is like the IKEA of 3D printers. It comes fully assembled and ready to go. Just like that meatball you regret eating. It's got auto-leveling, a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision prints, and a one-touch filament loading system. It's basically the plug-and-play of the 3D printing world. Reviewers love how easy it is for beginners and kids to start printing right away. Now, the K1C also arrives ready for action, but it goes one step further with its boot-up guide that's as simple as setting up a new smartphone. Auto-calibration? Check. Auto-Z offset? Check. Auto-leveling? Check. Heck, it even makes your morning coffee. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly interface and minimal setup time, making it a strong contender in this category. All right, speed demons, this one's for you. The Asani Mini is great for beginners and kids, but it's not breaking any land speed records. On the other hand, the K1C is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. With a printing speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration, it's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. Reviewers are consistently impressed by its blazing fast speeds and efficient performance. If the Asani Mini is a leisurely Sunday drive, the K1C is a Formula One race car. Let's dive into the bells and whistles. The Asani Mini comes with a complete starter kit, a flexible magnetic build plate, and it's compatible with multiple slicing software. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and the value it offers with its comprehensive package. But wait, the K1C has some serious AI muscle. It's got a 1-micrometer resolution AI LiDAR that scans the first layer and an AI camera that recognizes spaghetti failures and foreign matter. Plus, it's got an upgraded cooling structure that could probably cool your entire house if you let it. Reviewers are particularly impressed by these advanced features, which add a layer of innovation and reliability. Last but not least, let's talk filament. The Asani Mini is compatible with 1.75 millimeters, PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments. Not bad for a starter printer, right? Reviewers find this range quite adequate for beginners. But the K1C takes it up a notch with its Clog-free Direct Extruder that can print carbon fiber filament and withstands temperatures up to 300. It's like the Chuck Norris of 3D printers, tough and versatile. Reviewers are particularly pleased with its ability to handle a wider range of filament types, making it a more flexible option for advanced users. Both the Asani Mini and Clog-free K1C have garnered positive reviews on Amazon. The Asani Mini is praised for its ease of use, affordability, and reliability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Clog-free K1C impresses users with its speed, advanced features, and versatility, making it a great option for more experienced users looking for high performance. So what's the verdict? If you're a beginner or looking for something budget-friendly, the Asani Mini is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for speed, features, and some serious AI, the Clog-free K1C is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and printing smarter.